The 1962 Holden van wasn't just a car, it was Australia's hardest working secret weapon. And the windowless version, that's where the real legends begin. What's up everyone, subscribe to my channel. Today we're diving deep into one of Australia's most iconic and quietly legendary workhorses, the 1962 Holden EK Panel van, especially the windowless version that took the streets, farms, and job sites of the early 60s by storm. This wasn't just a vehicle, it was a mobile tool shed, a portable office, and for many Australians, the backbone of small business on wheels. When Holden introduced the EK series, they delivered when Holden introduced a blend of toughness, style, and dependability, and the panel van version became the perfect blend of utility and character. Now picture this, it's the early 1960s, and Holden has already cemented itself as the king of Australian roads. But the EK took things to a new level with its smooth flowing lines, modernized grille, updated interior touches, and that distinctive curved rear end. But the EK panel van, especially the windowless variant, was created to turn heads. It was built to get things done. Tradesmen loved it, delivery drivers relied on it, and many rural Aussies trusted it as their lifeline between towns. Today, that same rugged simplicity and nostalgia have turned the EK windowless van into a cult classic, a piece of automotive history worth celebrating. Under the bonnet of the 1962 EK panel van sat Holden's reliable 138 cubic inch inline-six, affectionately known as the Grey Motor. It wasn't built for speed, but it was built to run forever. With around 75 horsepower on tap, it had enough grunt to carry loads while still sipping fuel compared to its later, larger siblings. Paired with the 3-speed manual gearbox, many featuring the classic column shift, this setup made the EK panel van simple, durable, and remarkably easy to maintain. Mechanics loved it, and owners could fix it with basic tools, which is a big reason so many survived well into the 1970s and beyond. Now let's talk about that body style. The EK panel van, model code EK2104, came in both windowed and windowless versions, but it's the completely sealed, windowless variant that carries the mystique. No rear windows meant more privacy, more cargo security, and more internal space for tradesmen shelves, crates, or custom storage. Business owners used them to haul everything from tools to milk crates to fresh bakery deliveries before sunrise. They weren't glamorous, but in their own way, they were essential. Inside, the EK panel van was basic, and that's the charm of it. Vinyl bench seat, simple gauges, a metal dash with that beautiful Holden styling, and not much else. No luxuries, no distractions, just an honest work vehicle designed to last. Even today, restorers often choose to preserve that simplicity instead of modernizing it, because the raw authenticity is part of what makes this van so iconic. The interior is a time capsule of early 60s Aussie motoring, but let's be real, the EK panel van isn't just a piece of machinery, it's a story. Thousands of stories, actually. Stories of postal workers, appliance repairmen, country farmers heading into town for supplies, and surfers who discovered early on that the windowless van was perfect for gear storage, long trips, and even sneaky nights of camping. The EK was durable, practical, and cheap to run, making it a vehicle that touched every corner of Australian culture. And today, the 1962 EK panel van, especially the windowless model, has become a sought-after collectible. Enthusiasts love restoring them to showroom perfection, while others slam them, restore them as hot rods, or convert them into immaculate retro cruisers. The blank slate design and tough body make them perfect for customization. But the best examples, those are the ones that keep the classic lines, original chrome, and that unmistakable silhouette shining like it did back in '62. collectors appreciate that the EQ panel van marked a transitional point in Holden's history. It blends the simple, charming 1950s style with early hints of the sophistication that would come with the EJ and EH models that followed. Every curve, every detail, and every piece of metal tells part of Australia's automotive evolution. So as we stand here today, appreciating the legacy of the 1962 Holden EK Windowless Panel van, it's easy to see why it continues to hold such a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts. It represents hard work, old-school craftsmanship, and a time when vehicles were made to be repaired and kept on the road for decades. It carries the spirit of the tradesmen, the dreamers, the small businesses, and the everyday Aussies who relied on it. Before we wrap this up, if you're a fan of classic Holdens, especially rare commercial models like the EK2104, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more deep dives into iconic machines. This channel is all about preserving automotive history, celebrating engineering legends, and shining a spotlight on timeless classics that shaped our roads and our culture. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to my channel and stick around because we've got more rare classics coming up next.